10 Ford Escape Key Fob Battery 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Chevy GMC Key Fob Battery CR 2032. Is your Chevy or GMC key fob losing its spark? Our Roam Tech CR 2032 battery is your ultimate solution. Engineered for extensive compatibility, it seamlessly powers a vast range of models, from Silverado to Acadia, ensuring your ride is always accessible. This isn't just any battery, it's built to last, delivering consistent 3V lithium power, so your key fob works precisely when you need it most. Forget frustrating delays. Its robust design conquers extreme temperatures, vibration, and impacts, making it incredibly durable for daily life. Plus, its versatility extends beyond your car, powering watches, fitness trackers, and more. Keep your access smooth and worry-free with the dependable power of Roam Tech. Number 9. Cadillac Key Fob CR 2032 Battery 5-Pack. Never get caught without power again. Introducing the Cadillac Key Fob CR 2032 Battery 5-Pack, your ultimate power solution. Specifically engineered for a perfect fit in your Cadillac key fob, these premium lithium 3V batteries deliver a robust 240 mAh, ensuring reliable, long-lasting performance you can count on. But their utility doesn't stop there. This versatile CR 2032 button battery is the go-to replacement for a wide array of electronics, from scales and thermometers to watches and other small devices. With broad compatibility, easily replacing models like DL 2032, ECR 2032, and many more, you'll always have the right power source on hand. This convenient 5-pack means you're always prepared, offering exceptional value and peace of mind. Power up your essential devices with confidence. Number 8. Duracell CR 2032 Lithium AirTag Power. Keep your Apple AirTag powered and your peace of mind intact with Duracell CR 2032 lithium batteries. Engineered for long-lasting dependability, these ensure your AirTag tracks your valuables reliably for extended periods, so you're never left searching. Duracell understands family safety is paramount. That's why our CR 2032 batteries feature a non-toxic bitter coating on both sides and are secured in child-resistant packaging, minimizing the risk of accidental ingestion. As the #1 trusted battery brand, Duracell ensures consistent quality and offers a 10-year storage guarantee, meaning your batteries are always ready when you need them. Choose Duracell CR 2032 for the unwavering performance and enhanced safety your devices and family deserve. Number 7. Nissan Altima Key Fob Batteries open parenthesis 2007-2024 close parenthesis -2-pack. Is your Nissan Altima key fob losing its spark? Don't get stuck. Our Nissan Altima Key Fob Batteries 2007 to 2024 2-pack is your instant solution. Specifically engineered for your 2007 to 2024 Altima, this essential pack includes 2 high-quality CR 2032 3V batteries, guaranteeing reliable power and peace of mind. With a spare in hand, you'll never be left fumbling again. As an expert solution, these versatile batteries also fit a wide array of other popular Nissan models. Easily replace batteries for 2020 to 2024 Sentra, 2014 to 2024 Rogue, 2009 to 2024 Murano, 2009 to 2023 Maxima, 2013 to 2024 Pathfinder, and more like Versa, Frontier, Titan, and Z models. Unlock your Nissan vehicles seamlessly. Simple, effective, and always ready. Number 6. CR 2032 Key Fob Replacement Batteries. Tired of fumbling with a dead key fob? Power up your drive with the Roam Tech CR 2032 Replacement Battery. Designed for unwavering performance, this 3V lithium coin battery ensures your key fob works flawlessly every time. Compatible with many Chevy models, from Astro, 1997 to 2005, to Equinox, 2005 to 2024. Simply match your fob with our guide for a perfect fit and consistent accessibility. Engineered for longevity and consistent power, you'll enjoy extended use without the constant worry of being locked out. Its robust construction resists extreme temperatures, vibration, and impact, ensuring reliability through daily wear and tear. Plus, its versatility extends beyond your car, powering watches, fitness trackers, and other electronics. Get dependable access and peace of mind with Roam Tech. Number 5. Chrysler Key Fob Battery Replacement, CR 2032. Don't let a dead key fob leave you stranded. Revitalize your Chrysler's access with the Rome Tech CR 2032 battery replacement. Engineered for reliability, this 3V lithium coin battery provides consistent, long-lasting power for your key fob. Perfectly compatible with popular models like the Chrysler 300, 2005 to 2023, Pacifica, 2004 to 2024, and Town & Country, 2001 to 2016, it ensures seamless operation every time. Our CR 2032 is built tough, designed to withstand extreme temperatures, vibrations, and daily impacts, guaranteeing dependable performance no matter the conditions. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your vehicle is always accessible. Simply confirm your Chrysler model and key fob match for the ideal fit, and get back to effortless driving. Number 4. Duracell CR 2025 3V Key Fob Battery. Never get stranded with a dead key fob. Power your essential devices with the Duracell CR 2025 3V Lithium Coin Battery, engineered for unmatched dependability. As the #1 trusted battery brand, Duracell ensures your key fobs and other small electronics perform consistently, delivering the long-lasting power you rely on daily. Beyond performance, your family's safety is paramount. Our CR 2025 batteries feature a non-toxic bitter coating on both sides, actively discouraging accidental ingestion, and come in child-secure packaging that's nearly impossible to open without scissors. Plus, with a 10-year guarantee in storage, you can confidently stock up, knowing they'll be ready precisely when you need them. Choose Duracell for peace of mind and unwavering power. Number 3. Ford Escape Key Fob Battery CR 2032. Tired of a dead Ford Escape key fob? Don't let a low battery leave you stranded. Our Ford Escape Key Fob Battery CR 2032 is the perfect, reliable solution. Engineered for your 2001 to 2019 Ford Escape remote, these high-quality CR 2032 3V batteries ensure instant, reliable response for your vehicle. We understand the frustration of a non-responsive key fob. That's why we include two premium CR 2032 batteries, perfect for a spare or enough for 2 remotes. Enjoy uninterrupted convenience and absolute peace of mind. For absolute confidence, simply select your vehicle above to continue and confirm your perfect fit. Get back to effortless entry and starting. Number 2. 2450 Lithium Coin Battery 2-Pack. Tired of unreliable power? Meet the Energizer 2450 Lithium Coin Battery 2-Pack, engineered for consistent, long-lasting performance in your essential specialty devices. From heart rate and glucose monitors to remotes and keyless entry systems, these 3-volt lithium cells deliver dependable power when you need it most. For your peace of mind, they also come in child-resistant packaging. What's more, these versatile CR 2450 batteries hold power for an incredible 12 years in storage, meaning they're always ready. Plus, their robust design withstands extreme temperatures from -22 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring performance wherever life takes you. They're perfect replacements for L52, DL2450, and 5029LC. Choose Energizer for power you can trust. Number 1. CR 2450 Ford Key Fob Battery 2015 to 2024. Ensure your Ford is always ready to go with the Rome Tech CR 2450 battery, specifically engineered for a wide range of 2017 to 2025 models, including the Bronco, Edge, Escape, Expedition, F-Series, and Explorer. This isn't just a replacement. It's a reliable power upgrade for your crucial key fob. Experience true peace of mind with a long-lasting lithium battery that consistently delivers 3V power, guaranteeing your key fob works precisely when you need it most. Its robust design fearlessly withstands extreme temperatures, vibrations, and impacts, perfect for daily adventures. Keep your journey smooth and secure, knowing your car is always accessible. A quick check of your model and comparison with Image 2 ensures perfect compatibility for seamless performance. So, that sums up my 10 Ford Escape key fob battery. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next